Okay, now let us move to another chapter, algebra. Right. Okay. So let us discuss some important points. See why, dear students, algebra is one of the most important branches of mathematics. In algebra, we start working with the letters of alphabet as well as numbers and signs of operations. Signs of operations means plus, minus, multiplication and division. In algebra, we use lowercase letters to represent numbers, and quantifiers are called literals and variables. That means generally we can use small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, and so on, x, y, z. So they are called variables. Variables or literals, we may call. Right. The process of computing various problems using variables is called algebra. The term algebra is formed from the Arabic term algebra. Algebra. The father of algebra is Diophantus. Father of algebra is Diophantus, mathematician. Next, constants, that means numbers, variables and operation symbols are combined to form mathematical expression. So how does the mathematical expression form? The mathematical expression will be formed using constants, variables and operation symbols. Operation symbols mean these symbols. Right. So first let us have what is meant by a constant. A number having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. That means a number having a fixed numerical value. That value will not change at any cost. For example, 8 means 8 only, minus 9, 1, minus 3 by 4, 2.6, something 2000, 2023, and like that. They are all called actually constants. So variable means a number which can take various numerical values is known as a variable. For example, small a, small b, small c, x, y, z. So that means a can take any value, b can take any value, c can take any value, and so on. Even x can take any value, y can take any value, z can take any value. That is called, the value changes. That's why it's called variable. So what is the term? A term is a constant or variable, and also it can be product of constant and variables. A term can be either positive or negative. That means, for example, term means constant itself is the term, or variable is the term, or product of both constant and variables also, variable also a, that is called term. Term can be sometimes positive, sometimes negative. For example, see, you take 8, 8 is also a term. Suppose you take x, x is also a term, y is also a term, x into y, xy is also a term. For example, 3x into minus y is there. You get 3x, 3 into minus 1, this is actually minus 3xy. Even minus 3xy is also a term. Clear? So term means actually either positive, it may be negative. Right. So next, let us move to the one more important concept now. So one more important concept. And next, let's have a discussion about these points. Right. See. So expression. What is meant by expression? An expression is consisting of one or more terms separated by plus or minus, separated by plus or minus, separated by plus or minus. An expression consists of one or more terms separated by plus or minus. So that means 2x is only one term it has. For example, 3a minus 5. So that means these two terms are separated by the negative sign. You can write x square plus 7x minus 8. So these are all called expressions. So algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means the combination of constants and variables connected by plus or minus or into or divided signs known as algebraic expressions. So algebraic expression, these are algebraic expressions only example for. So next, coefficients. Coefficients are actually two types: numerical coefficients and variable coefficients. Variable coefficients. See, numerical coefficient. What do you mean by the numerical coefficients? In a term, the number factor of the product is the numerical coefficient of the remaining factors. For example, 3x is there. So 3x we can write 3 into x. So what is the number factor? Number factor is 3. This is variable factor. So 3 is called numerical coefficient. Here 3 is called numerical coefficient. So you may have one doubt. What do we call x? X is called literal coefficient. See. So next concept. Let us discuss next concept now. Right. Okay. Right. Here see. Next one. So literal coefficients. That means variable coefficient. A letter factor variable of a product is literal coefficient. For example, 9a square b is there. 9a square b. 9a square b is the algebraic expression. This algebraic expression we can write like this. 9a into ab we can write. This we can write 9 into a into b we can write. So that means a is literal coefficient, b is also literal coefficient, ab is also literal coefficient. But 9 is called numerical coefficient. My dear students, remember. So next, for example, you take this one. 3x, 4x, minus 5x, minus 100x. What do you observe from these expressions? 3x, 4x, minus 5x, minus 100x are called like terms. Like terms. Similar terms also. Like terms, or you can say similar terms. For example, 3x and 4y. They are different. So they are called unlike terms. Unlike terms. Or otherwise we can say dissimilar terms also. Next, very, very important point is actually types of algebraic expressions. Types of. So one is monomial, binomial, and trinomial. See, mono means one term. If an algebraic expression consists only one term, that is called monomial. If an expression containing two terms, that is called binomial. Bi means two terms. So three terms means we can say that is trinomial. Multinomial. So what do you mean by multinomial? Multinomial means more than three. More than three terms. More than three terms. Okay, understood? Yes or no? Yes, Pranavi, actually try to concentrate on the lesson. That's very important. So you need to chart yes or no. Right. Okay. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, let us move to now next concept. See, right. So now you need to chart. So how to add the terms? Adding the terms. This means adding the terms. Adding the terms means, one example you take, add 2x and 4x. That means we need to find out 2x plus 4x. If 2x is added with 4x means you will be getting 6x. It becomes 6x. So for example, if you add 3x square plus 5x square, what do you get now? Yes, you are correct. That will be 8x square. So in this way, we can add. Similar terms are added. Am I correct now? So that means 2x plus 4x. If you add, you will be getting 6x. 3x square, 5x square. Something minus 5y plus 10y. So 10y minus 5y is 5y we will be getting. Clear? Subtracting terms also. That means if one expression can be subtracted from other expression also. For example, subtract 3x from 5x. That means 5x minus 3x. If you subtract, what do you get? 2x. So you can multiply the terms also. How to multiply? For example, product of 2x and 3x. How do you get? First numerical coefficients multiply. 3 to just 6. X into x, x square. 6x square. So similarly, if you want to find out the product, see x plus 2 into x plus 3. X plus 2 is a binomial. X plus 3 is also a binomial. How to multiply? So for this one, in order to multiply this one, we should have the one concept. That concept is S Nana. Actually, I will tell you, right? Don't worry. X plus 2 into x plus 3. You need to apply distributive property. A times of B plus C. A times of B plus C is equal to A into B AB. A into C AC plus AC you will be getting. So first x into, you can write x plus 3. Clear? Now plus 2 into x plus 3. Now you see x into x, x square you will be getting. X into 3, 3x. Now plus 2 into x, 2x. Plus 2 into 3, 6. So now it can be further simplified. It can be further simplified. Okay, how do you simplify? Let us see. Banusri and also next Tanvika Reddy, try to concentrate in the lesson. Right. Siva. Right. Here x square we can write. 3x plus 2x can be added. That we can write 5x plus 6. So that means total number of terms in this, the resulting value expression is 1, 2, 3. 3 terms you will be getting. X plus 2 into x plus 3. Clear? Right. Okay. Multiplying terms also we have completed. Next, let us move to next concept, dividing the terms. Dividing the terms. Right, dividing the terms. Dividing the terms. Right. So 1 minute. So how to divide the two terms? Two algebraic terms can be divided by one with other. Necessary index law of division can be applied. That means I will explain, don't worry. Laws of indices. So laws of indices we need to apply. Laws of indices. That means that is nothing but powers and exponents only. So for example, see my dear students, if you want to divide 6x square by 2x, how do you find out? Means 6x square by 2x you can write. Again the 6x square we can write 6x into x also by 2x. X cancel. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So the value will be 3x. Clear? I hope. Otherwise the same we can write like this also. 6 into x upon 2 into x. X cancel. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. It will be 3x. Suppose if you want to find out minus 8xy divided by 6x, how do you find out? How do you find out? What is your answer? You chart yourself. Chart yourself. Chart yourself. Chart yourself. Right? Right. 1 minute, I will come back. Right. So next, in this way, we can divide. One more thing, actually, this is called actually division algorithm. What is division algorithm? Let me explain. Don't worry. So, for example, what is the division algorithm? Let's have a discussion on division algorithm. Division algorithm. Division algorithm. Division algorithm. So, what is the division algorithm on actually algebraic expressions? For example, if this g of x divided by g of x divides f of x, here coefficient is q of x, remainder is a r of x. See, my dear students, for example, if 7 is divided by 3, 7 is divided by 3. How do you divide? 7 divides 3. So that means actually it does not divide. If you divide, what you get? Let us see. 3 to just 6. Remainder will be 1. Now this 7 can be written as like this. 3 into 2 plus 1. So in the similar manner, we can write here also. So f of x is equal to, this f of x is equal to, you can write g of x into q of x, g of x into q of x, g of x into q of x plus r of x, you can write it. So this is multiplication. Multiplication. G of x into q of x plus r of x. That means what is the division algorithm means? Here actually f of x is called dividend. F of x is called dividend. G of x is called divisor. Q of x is called coefficient. This r of x is called remainder. So that means now we can state like this. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied with the coefficient plus remainder, you can write it. This is called actually division algorithm. This can be applied on numbers as well as the even algebraic expressions also we can apply. Right. Next, let us have a concept on of polynomial concept. Let's have it. Right. This is very, very important now. All of you remember. Right. Okay, one by one, let's have a discussion. See, what is meant by a polynomial? An expression containing one or more monomials is called a polynomial. So, general form of a polynomial. So, I will explain about the polynomial. So, my dear students, remember polynomial. This polynomial is in the form of ax to the power of n. It may be monomial or binomial, trinomial, even more than 4 terms also. Here, but you must remember one thing, n is a whole number. N is a whole number. Then it is called a polynomial. Otherwise, it's not a polynomial, it is called multinomial only. So, n is a whole number. N is a whole number means n take the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on like that. But n should not be any rational number. It should not be rational. If n is a rational number, it is not a polynomial. Remember, if this ax to the power of n is a polynomial, n must be a whole number. N must be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So types of the polynomial you can discuss also actually. You see, for example, this ax plus b. This x power is 1. This is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Clear? In one variable. In one variable. How many variables are there? Only one variable. Here variable is x. So next ax square plus bx plus c. But in all cases, actually, I will give the condition also. This is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic. This is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is called cubic polynomial. Ax to the power of 4 plus b x cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. This is called biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic. Biquadratic. You remember like that. So next ax to the power of 5 plus bx to the power of 4 plus cx cube plus dx square plus ex plus f. This is called phentic. Phentic. But in all cases, you must remember a does not equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. So now general form write down. General form. So general form. This is very important part. General form. So general form of a polynomial is, see, a naught x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus so on dash dash an. Generally, it is denoted by p of x, or sometimes it may be denoted by f of x also. But here a naught does not equal to 0. This condition must be followed. I hope it's very clear to you. Very clear, I think so. Right? Okay, just go through them in 1 minute now. Right? Yes. No, Gangadhar, don't worry. You can understand in English also. No problem. Right. So next, let us move to the previous case now. This is very important now. Let's have a discussion on what is the degree of the polynomial. So degree of the polynomial. I'll go back to the previous page. So next page. Right. So what is the degree? Here degree is 1. Here degree is 1. Degree is 1. Because highest power is actually 1. This is bx to the power of 0, x to the power of 1. Degree is, here degree is 2. This degree is 3. Degree is 4. Degree is 5. Here this degree is n, nth degree. This is nth degree polynomial. Clear? Okay, Harsha. Okay, Harsha. Right. Right. The greatest of the degrees of the various terms is called degree of the polynomial. See, the general form of the first degree polynomial, I already explained to you. Ax plus b, a does not equal to 0. The general form of second degree polynomial, already we have discussed, right? Ax square plus bx plus c. The general form of the nth degree polynomial also we have discussed, right? Next now, very important. What is the important means? 0 polynomial and 0 of the polynomial. If all the terms of the polynomial is 0, then it is called 0 polynomial. What is the 0 of the polynomial? The number for which the value of the polynomial is 0 is called 0 of the polynomial. Okay, let's have a discussion. So what is the difference between 0 polynomial? 0 polynomial. Next one is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. So now we try to understand and elaborate about this zero polynomial and zero of the polynomial. Right. So zero polynomial means, for example, P of x is equal to, all the terms are zeros. That means 0 x to the power of n, 0 x to the power of n minus 1, and so on 0. This is called zero. This is zero polynomial. What is the zero of the polynomial means? For example, you take P of x is equal to something x minus 2. So in the place of x, put something 2, P of 2. If you put P of 2, what do you get? P of 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. That means at x is equal to 2, the value of P of x is 0. So this 2 is called 0 of x minus 2. Clear? So this is the difference between zero polynomial and zero of the polynomial. Right. Let us move to next concept now. Right, next concept. Biquadratic also we have discussed. Next, right, very, very important. Next, we shall discuss. We shall discuss the identities list. Okay, it's very important now. Algebraic identities. Let us discuss identities. These are very, very important. So first identity is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Second, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Right. Third one, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. So that means if you add these two, what do you get? Plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel. A square plus a square is 2a square plus 2b square you will be getting. 2 common. So we get a square plus b square. So this is the value of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Right? Okay, next a plus b into a minus b. My dear student, first term plus second term. First term minus second term is equal to first term square, a square, minus second term square. This is very, very important formula. You must remember. Right. So next formula we have a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So that is 4ab. That is 4ab. Clear? Next, a minus b whole square is equal to, we can write a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So my dear students, sometimes you may be given a plus b as well as ab, and you are asked to find out a minus b. With the help of this formula, you can find. The seventh one, a plus b plus c whole square. What is a plus b plus c whole square? That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is a plus b plus c whole square. Next, a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is equal to, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So next, my dear students, remember this one, a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, right. Next one. So next, remember this one. A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So, right. Harish, actually, you need to control yourself. Right. Try to. Next one. For example, this is very important. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, so then in the place of a plus b plus c, you put 0. 0 into something 0. So you get a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. So transpose minus 3ab to the right hand side. So you get now a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. This is very, very important result, because one of the question asked based on this concept in the previous NMMS examination. Based on this concept, question was asked. So my dear students, please remember. I will write once again here. See, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. You can remember this concept. A cube plus b cube plus c cube. That means without finding a cube, b cube, c cube, you can find out the value just multiplying ABC values. 3 multiplied ABC. You remember, this is very, very important result. Clear? Right. So one more. So let us discuss one more concept. Right. Suppose x plus 1 by x whole square. X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to, what do you get? So you know the formula, a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Am I correct? So in the place of a, write down x. In the place of b, you write down 1 by x. Then what do we get? So here, x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square. Very interesting this is. X 1 ja x cancel. So x whole square is x square plus 2 plus 1 by x whole square is 1 by x square. So we get a one beautiful formula. Here x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, this is equal to, take to that side, you will get x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. From this we get a beautiful shortcut, because based on this, actually if you observe the previous NMMS question paper regarding to the mathematics question paper, so there are actually more 20 questions in the examination. Out of 20 questions, definitely one question is based on this will be formed. So now one beautiful shortcut we can frame now. What is the shortcut means? If x plus 1 by x is equal to something a, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to a square minus 2. This is the super shortcut. This is called super shortcut. Super shortcut. Without paper pen, you can solve the problems. So now let me give the one problem. Let us give one problem. Example. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to option A 4, option B 0, option C 2, option D 8. Which is the right option? Tell me. You need to chart. You need to chart. Very simple technique you can apply. So what is your answer? See, my dear students, x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. That means a is equal to 2. Here a is equal to 2. Shortcut we have x square plus 1 by x square is equal to a square minus 2. That means 2 square minus 2. So 2 square minus 2 means 4 minus 2, 2. So what is the right answer? Yes, C is the right answer. Not 4, a square minus 2. Try to understand the question. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So next, let us go for example 2. If x plus 1 by x is equal to something root 3, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, see option A 3, option B 1, option C 5, option D 7. Which is the right option? Which is the right option? Which is the right option? Check the question. Okay, I will write the shortcut also using shortcut. Here a is equal to root 3 because x plus 1 by x is equal to root 3. This is a. Here a equals to root 3. A equals to root 3. Right. So we need x square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to how much? A square minus 2. That will be root 3 square minus 2. So my dear students, remember root 3 whole square is equal to, root 3 means 3 to the power of half whole square. This 2 gets cancelled. We have 3. So 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now tell me, what is the answer? Check your options. Check your options. Once again, check your options. All of you. Right? Right. So let us move to one more question. One more question. See, x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to, this question was asked the previous question, 3. Then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to. Tell me what is our answer? A 1, B 2, C 3, D root 3. So what is our answer? What is our answer? What is our answer? So this was the previous NMMS examination question. Yes, absolutely correct. B is the right option. Wonderful. Because you must remember one thing, Nana. Suppose a square is equal to something n, a value equal to root n. Similarly, from this, we get like this. X plus 1 by x is equal to becomes root 3. So that is A. So that means A equals to root 3. We need x square plus 1 by x square. Just like a previous problem only. A square minus 2. Yes, Nana. Not B. Yes, let us try. This is root 3 square minus 2. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 will be 1. So now A is the right answer. A is the right answer. A is the right answer. All of you check your answers and correct yourself also. Okay, let me move to one more beautiful shortcut now. Fourth one. Now you see x minus 1 by x whole square. Now let us find out this value. What is the value of x minus 1 by x whole square? X minus 1 by x whole square. X minus 1 by x whole square means x square minus 2 times x in x times 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square. Don't get confusion, Nana. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square. X 1 ja x. This is x square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square. Now the formulation takes place. You can write the formula x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, take minus to that side, you get x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 you will be getting. Suppose if x minus 1 by x is equal to something a, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, in the place of this x minus 1 by x, write a. So you will be getting a square plus 2. This is shortcut. The previous shortcut also I will write. If x plus 1 by x is equal to a, again I will write for your clarity, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to a square minus 2. Suppose minus is there, you get plus. Here plus is there, you get minus. That's only difference. That is the difference. Right? So now let us move to another problem. So another problem. So fourth problem. If x minus 1 by x is equal to 5, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, option A 25, option B 10, option C 23, option D 27. So which is the right option? Which is the right option? Which is the right option? Try yourself. Right. Here, see the shortcut. See, x minus x is equal to, given that phi, this phi is a. Now, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, we have the super shortcut, that is a square plus 2. A square plus 2. That means actually square phi square plus 2. What is phi square? Don't get confusion, my dear students. Phi square means 5 into 5. That is 25. And square 5 and add 2. You will get the answer. 25 plus 2. Answer is 27. So D is the right option. D is the right option. Okay. Right. So one more shortcut we are going to discuss now. One more question I will give it. Try to answer this one. If x minus 1 by x whole square equals to root 7, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to A 7, B 5, C 9, D 14. Which is the right option? Which is the right option? Okay, right. D is the right answer now. Fifth question. Now, all of you concentrate on the fifth question now. Fifth question. So, what is your answer? What is your answer? Right, my dear students, you remember here x minus x whole square is equal to, sorry, this is not the root 7, 7. So now x minus 1 by x is equal to, you can write root 7. This is A. Now therefore x square plus 1 by x square is equal to A square plus 2. That will be root 7 whole square plus 2. So 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So 9 is the right answer. So C is the right answer. C is the right answer. So if you want to chart in the live streaming, only one time is enough your answer. Don't chart many times. Right? Yes, C is the right answer, not 2. Check the answer now. Check the methods yourself. Right. Okay, tomorrow we shall continue. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay.